Welcome to Schedule Anywhere. This video will show you how to submit a schedule request to your manager. Requests can be used to fill open shifts, request additional hours or overtime, or to communicate changes in your availability. Since you can access Schedule Anywhere from any browser, mobile device, or our free mobile app, you can submit a schedule request from anywhere. To submit a schedule request, go to Requests, Schedule Request. Then select the manager you want to send the request to and the days pertaining to your request. The message section is where you explain your request. You may ask to fill an open shift, to work more hours, or communicate changes to your availability. Click the Submit button to send the request to your manager. Your manager will review your request and update the schedule if needed. Thank you for your interest in Schedule Anywhere, the leading employee scheduling app. For more information, please go to scheduleanywhere.com or call 1-800-874-8801.